Welcome home to this beautifully cared for residence, offering comfort, space, and convenience in one of Fort Wayne's most desirable neighborhoods. Step through the front door and into a bright, open concept living space with high ceilings and plenty of natural light. The living room is warm and spacious, perfect for both entertaining or just relaxing. This open kitchen features plenty of cabinet storage, a center island with bar seating, and modern appliances. The adjacent dining area offers a cozy space for meals with views of the backyard. Head outside and enjoy your private backyard, great for summer barbecues, pets, or simply enjoying a quiet evening on the patio. Back inside, the primary suite is your personal retreat, spacious and serene with an ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet that gives you plenty of storage and privacy. 3 more bedrooms offer flexibility for guests, a home office, or kids' rooms. A second full bath is located conveniently nearby and is tastefully finished. Call Ben Craver today to schedule your private showing and take the next step towards owning this beautiful home.